How to use ClickUp for contract management. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use ClickUp for the content or the contract management. Basically it is going to be a very simple and easy step. We're going to head over clickup.com, sign in for an account. As you can see, we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Now what I'm going to do basically is going to be heading over the left side of the screen, and we're going to choose one of the spaces that we have. Basically, we're going to add a template here, which is going to be related to this plus button, and click on templates. We're going to search for templates. I'm going to tick or check all of these and type in here contract management. You're going to find this folder. As you can see, it is going to be a big folder or an operation for tasks. You can go ahead and use this folder. For example, import everything, click on use template, and with a click of a button, it is going to be shown up just right there fine. So it is going to add all or import all the necessary files or let's say component for this document, and at the end you're going to find it right there. We can go ahead and see that we have another copy of it, which is, or another template for this. It is going to have everything on it, but it is not going to be as let's say flexible as this one. As you can see, we're going to find everything just like that. So we can go ahead and see that it is going to have different views like workflows, documents, get views, boards, lists, whatever you're going to want to see. It is going to be right there. For example, you can see that we have different type of lists like the contract review with clients, transaction documents, closing requirements, or post-closing, as you can see here, matters. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.